Did you know that one of the most dangerous marriage proposals in history happened right after King David died? His son Adonijah had already tried to steal the throne from his brother Solomon and failed. But instead of giving up, he came up with a sneaky new plan. Adonijah asked Solomon's mother Bathsheba for a simple favor. He wanted to marry Abishag, the beautiful young woman who had kept David warm during his final days. It seemed innocent enough, right? A lonely prince just wanting companionship after losing his chance to be king. But Solomon saw right through this trick. Back then, marrying the previous king's wife or concubine was like claiming you should be the new king. It was the same move his brother Absalom had pulled during his rebellion against David. Solomon was furious and told Adonijah he might as well just ask for the kingdom directly. That very same day, Solomon ordered his brother's execution. One marriage request had just cost Adonijah his life and ended his royal dreams forever.